Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing a very easy barfi recipe with you guys. This is a quick and easy microwaved barfi, and it is very simple, very quick, yet the texture and the flavor are very much like, if not just exactly like the one that we make with the sugar syrup. I've been experimenting with this and I was so shocked that it tasted so much like it. The ingredients you're going to need is powdered milk, using full cream milk here, some sugar, some ground cardamom, some nutmeg, which is optional, some milk, ghee, and I'm using raspberry cordial here, but you can leave that out if you'd like. So we're going to actually dump everything in a microwavable bowl. The order doesn't matter, so I'm putting the milk, the sugar, the cardamom powder, the raspberry cordial, and the milk and ghee here. You're literally gonna dump everything in. I'm adding freshly ground nutmeg here. You can leave this out if you don't like to put nutmeg in your barfi, or you can add any other spices that you like. So now we're gonna mix this very thoroughly. So because I'm using the raspberry cordial, I want to make sure that the color distributes evenly and the flavor as well. So you want to make sure that you work that in and make sure it's mixed together. There's no dry crumbs or there's no white parts. Then we're gonna pop this in the microwave for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you're gonna stir this. So my microwave is 1800 watts. Everybody's microwave is different. So I'm going to give you the recipe that I have tried, but you have to really look at the texture of it. After this, you're going to microwave for 30-second intervals. So every 30 seconds, you want to take this out and you want to mix it very thoroughly. So for me, it took 3 30-second intervals. And after the third interval, this is what the texture of it looks like. So once the texture gets like this, it starts holding together. You don't want to mix it anymore. After that interval, you want to just take all the entire mix and you want to transfer it to your pan that you're going to be letting this set in. I line mine with wax paper. You can use parchment paper, and this really helps take it out. Then you're going to make sure that you press it down and make it very even and smooth on top, and garnish it with hundreds and thousands or sprinkles. I'm using rainbow sprinkles here, and then you used wax paper or something to make sure that all the sprinkles are just adhered to the barfi. Then we're going to let this cool for about 10 minutes. You don't want it to cool all the way, but after 10 minutes you're going to cut into this. I removed mine from the pan, and then very important to remember is to make sure you cut this with a sharp knife and a clean knife. So in between each cut, I clean the knife properly. You also want to let this cool completely before you start eating it. While it's warm, it is a little too crummy, but as it cools down, it adheres and the texture is perfect. It is really delicious. It's really quick. I highly recommend this recipe. Please give it a try. And if you do give this recipe a try, let me know on my social media how it turned out for you. I love to hear from you guys. And as always, my recipes are linked below in the description box, or you can go to my website and you can find all my recipes there. Until next time, you guys take care, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.